there guys, welcome back. So, oh fucking, it's bumpy. So today we are going to watch some supercars. We are going to Supercar parade and hopefully I will see some good cars. And I'm taking my drag bike, drag slash straight line bike. And hopefully we will enjoy it. And fucking corner, man. Man, I miss this bike. Back to 6K. So a lot of people go to, they will take the supercars, custom cars, classic cars, and they will go to Katara, which is close to Skyline. It's a small village which is made type of like a old design, and hopefully you will see something cool videos and cool everything. That's the plan. So I will catch you there once we reach there. It's a little bit far from my house. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with the whole highway view and all those things. Fuck, my tire's slipping. Fucking piece of shit. This fucking glue and painted shit is always annoying. They should clear it. Oh, it's going to annoy me the whole way. I have a carbon wheels, it's going to shake like shit. Just here to see the cars and all those things. A lot of classic. A lot of scooter. Hey, Harley. Oh man, classic. The sweet classic. Corvettes. The ZX10r, I think, and Huracan LP10 something, 610. Porsche. It's an old model, right? Yeah, 750 or something. Suzuki, Porsche, Suzuki, a lot of Land Cruisers, Tesla. Oh, my hand is start paining. Can I go park it? Huracan. It's a 610, I told you. Look at that carbon fiber shit. I like the wing. Tesla Model S. Porsche. Man, he's in trunk. Ah, that's funny. Classic Harleys. There's a Ferrari F12, I think. God, that's loud. Classic Harleys.